there everyone, Chase with ShineFi here, and today I've got something truly exciting to share with you. Imagine making over $1,000 a day with the power of AI and ChatGPT. It's not just a dream, it's a game changer. I'm thrilled to reveal the exact system I use, and the best part, it's incredibly simple. Just copy and paste. You can clone this system into an automated tool I'm providing, making everything effortless. Get ready to transform your approach and start earning like never before. But that's not all. I'm also offering you amazing bonuses. A free, full step-by-step course that is hours and hours long. This course will walk you through the entire guide and process, ensuring you understand everything you need to get started today. You'll get all the tools and information to start making money right away. If you want to stay updated with all the latest tips and strategies, just type yes in the comments right now. It helps me know that you want more content like this, and I'll keep you informed and motivated with more exciting videos in the future. So let's talk about what we'll be doing before we dive in. First, we're going to use AI to recreate videos. I'll show you some of these videos right here. We have a bunch of pre-made videos ready for you. When you access the automated system and bonuses I'll tell you about in a second, you'll get these videos too. These videos are ready for you to start posting. We're basically replicating successful videos that have already worked on other accounts, getting millions of views and thousands of comments. You'll get access to all these proven videos and can start using them right away. This method saves you time and effort, letting you focus on growing your audience and making money quickly. When you stay tuned and follow what I'm about to share, we're going to take these videos and post them automatically on our social media accounts. These videos will generate leads, and then we'll put people into an automated sequence. This sequence follows up with leads using emails I've already written for you. This process is proven. Just in the last 7 days on High Level, one of the affiliates we promote, we've seen great results: $395, $146, $276, and $209 in the last 6 months. Starting this automated system 2 months ago, we've reached about $111,000 monthly recurring revenue. This comes from two sides of the program: the regular $297 monthly plan, which brought in $88,000 last month, and the $497 plan, which brought in $3,000 last month, totaling $111,000 monthly recurring revenue. The best part? We have no customers, no clients, and no fulfillment responsibilities. We simply direct people to links using these automated systems. One important thing to note is that while this system is highly effective, it requires consistent effort and attention to detail. I'm not saying this will happen overnight or that you'll make all this money immediately. However, this is a proven system that I use myself. I'm sharing with you only what works for me. If you follow the right steps, you can start earning money and greatly increase your chances of success. But remember, nothing is guaranteed. You have to put in the effort and work hard to see results. With that said, let's talk about the process. It's simple to get started. We'll take videos, post them automatically on our social media accounts, and generate leads. Then, we'll use an automated sequence to follow up with these leads using pre-written emails. This method has worked well for others, and I believe it can work for you too. In the past 7 days, we've seen impressive earnings, and in just 2 months, we've reached about $111,000 in monthly recurring revenue. This success comes from consistently using this system. It involves promoting different affiliate programs and directing people to links. It's all about using the tools and steps I'll share with you. The first thing we're going to do is set up an account with the automated system. This system will help us send emails, create landing pages, and drive traffic to our affiliate offers. To get started, go to firstitool.com or click the link below this video. Enter your name and email, and you'll gain access to the automated system and bonuses. The goal within the first 30 days is to generate leads and sales. If you don't see results in this period, you can stop using the system without any further costs. However, the aim is to help you make sales quickly, so you'll want to keep using the tool. This is the core principle of affiliate marketing: promoting a product successfully so people continue to use it. I have a comprehensive checklist of hundreds of different AI tools you can promote and get paid for. This checklist is included in the viral post spreadsheet you'll receive. You can use the system I'm sharing today to promote any of these tools. It doesn't matter which one you choose because the method works for all. I've personally made a lot of money promoting various affiliate programs using this system. It's simple. We take pre-made videos, post them on social media, and generate leads. We then follow up with these leads using an automated email sequence. This proven process has brought impressive results. For instance, in the last 7 days alone, one of the affiliates we promote generated significant earnings. In just 2 months, we've achieved about $111,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Success with this system involves consistent use and effort. You'll be promoting different affiliate programs and directing people to specific links. With the tools and steps I'll share, you can start seeing results. So, let me show you an example of a proxy provider I promoted in the past. This affiliate program is now earning me around $1,000 a month in recurring revenue and has paid me over $10,000 so far. This was achieved simply by sending people to a link. You can see here, 6,253 clicks and 9 signups, resulting in close to $155,000 in earnings from this single affiliate program. Now, imagine stacking multiple affiliate programs. I'm building out all my sequences so you can use them to promote the same products if you wish. Inside the spreadsheet you'll receive, we have all the emails I've written. I'll also show you how to automatically upload these emails into your account. We take top Instagram posts, top email posts, and high-traffic websites and create templates by cloning and improving what's working for others. We're not directly copying, we're recreating these in our own way to enhance what we're doing. We use templates to simplify the process. Instead of trying to come up with everything from scratch, we reverse engineer what works for others and adapt it for our use. First, set up an account with the automated system. This system helps you send emails, create landing pages, and drive traffic to affiliate offers. Visit firstit.com or click the link below this video to enter your name and email. This will give you access to the automated system and bonuses. In the first 30 days, the goal is to generate leads and sales. If you don't see results, you can stop using the system without further costs. However, the aim is to help you make sales quickly, so you'll want to keep using the tool. This proven process involves posting pre-made videos on social media to generate leads and using an automated email sequence for follow-ups. This method has yielded impressive results, including about $111,000 in monthly recurring revenue in just 2 months. I'm creating something really useful for you all. When you join through the automated system, you get access to a complete spreadsheet, all the emails, all the posts, everything you need to recreate what I'm offering. All you need to do is pay for a subscription to High Level. If you stop paying for the subscription, you lose access to all this material, because I need to be motivated to keep building this stuff for you. As long as you keep your subscription to High Level, I will continue to provide all these resources. Now, let's move on to step 2. In this step, we will go into our High Level account. You'll need to grab the automated system. When you go to firstaitool.com, check your email because you will receive all the bonuses, including the spreadsheet and everything else you need to get set up. If you don't see the spreadsheet in your email, make sure to contact us at support@shinefy.com. Sometimes emails bounce or end up in spam. If this happens, show us a screenshot of the automated system you got through this page, and we will send you the bonuses to ensure you have everything you need. Once you get the automated system, you will be sent to a separate thank you page. This page will offer you a free kickoff call, which usually costs $297, but because we have a partnership with High Level, we're including this call for free. So this system gives you access to a wealth of resources that will help you build what you need. You get emails, posts, spreadsheets, and more, all for simply subscribing to High Level. If you have any trouble receiving the materials, just reach out to us and we'll ensure you get what you need. Additionally, you'll get a valuable kickoff call at no extra cost, thanks to our partnership. By following these steps, you'll have everything required to set up and succeed. This is a comprehensive package that provides you with the tools and support necessary for your journey. All you need to do is maintain your subscription to keep receiving these benefits. Remember, the key is to stay subscribed so you can continually access all the valuable resources and support we're offering. This setup is designed to help you every step of the way, ensuring you have the best chance at success. When you start with the automated system, the first thing you'll do is set up a kickoff call. This call is super important because it helps you get everything set up properly, especially since it can be confusing at first. The kickoff calls are designed to guide you through everything I'm about to explain. So even if you feel lost, you'll still get set up correctly because they will handle it all for you. They will do a done-for-you account setup, so make sure you claim this call as soon as you get into the automated system. The best part about the kickoff call is how easy it is to join. High Level has a large team ready to help. All you need to do is click on the join link and it will bring up a Zoom call. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you will be connected with someone who will help set up your account right away. This is great because you don't need to schedule a time. You can jump straight into the call and get started immediately. During the kickoff call, we'll set up something called an account snapshot. This snapshot is like a complete download of the account I've created for you. What I've done is clone my own agency account, including all my automations, so you can have the same setup. This means you'll get the same email opt-ins, automated messages, and other tools that I use. Here's how it works. I've created a tab called Snapshot where you can find everything. All you have to do is click on the snapshot and it will open up. Then click on Import to your account. This process will load all the funnels, emails, and other tools I use into your account. As I continue to promote new offers, affiliate deals, and other opportunities, I'll update the automations, and you will automatically receive these updates in your account. For example, you will get emails for day 1, day 2, day 3, and so on. If all this sounds overwhelming, don't worry. Right now, I'm just giving you an overview of how everything works. You don't have to do all of this on your own. The kickoff call and the automated system are designed to make it easy for you. The support team will help you set everything up so you can focus on your business without getting bogged down by the technical details. In addition to the snapshot, I've also created a step-by-step training course for you. This training is on YouTube and is part of a playlist called Road to 1,000 Leads a Day. In this course, I show you everything you need to do, from setting up your account to creating videos and outsourcing tasks if you decide to hire people. The course is already over 3 hours long and will be around 10 hours by the time it's complete. I highly recommend going through this course because it provides detailed instructions on how to set everything up. Moreover, once everything is set up, you'll have your affiliate links, emails, videos, and everything you need automatically going out. I even show you how to schedule all this content and respond to leads, ensuring you can start generating leads on autopilot. Even if you don't have a website or a landing page, I've built those for you as well. When you import the snapshot, you get the landing page ready to go. You can start sending people to this landing page, and they can opt into your offer. The video training also helps you learn how to sell products through these pages. For example, the exact landing page I use will be available to you. You can replace the button on the page with your affiliate link, and the training course shows you how to do that step by step. This way, you're not overwhelmed by the details all at once. Once you're set up, you'll have a complete system. Your affiliate links, emails, videos, and automated processes will all be ready. You will know how to schedule content, respond to leads, and everything else needed to keep your business running smoothly. You might be wondering how much traffic and how many leads you can expect to get. Let me show you an example. Our current funnel on High Level has brought in over 70,000 leads in about 60 days. That's 73,000 referrals in just 2 months. We've had 223,000 people click on our page, and to be honest, not all of this traffic was tracked. Some of the traffic went to pages where we weren't tracking the clicks, so we had a crazy amount of leads and traffic. If you're still wondering how this works, let me break it down for you. Step 1 is taking an offer. Let's say we're promoting High Level or any other affiliate product from the spreadsheet I showed you earlier. We take the product, get an affiliate link for it, and then start promoting it. For example, with High Level, you just go to the page that has your affiliate account and get your affiliate link. Once we have the affiliate link, we use pre-made content that we've created for you. This content is posted on various platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. You don't need a massive following to start getting views. We have many new accounts that we're posting to, and in the course, I even cover how to acquire these accounts. You can start getting leads within days by posting viral content organically, even without a huge following. We use a robot to respond to people engaging with our content. We create faceless viral videos, meaning we don't give out a website link or a specific call to action. Instead, we ask people to comment with a word or letter, like G or AI. This type of content can be posted on any account and still get leads. When people comment, the robot sends them a direct message with our affiliate link or landing page. Once people visit our landing page and enter their email, we put them into an automated sequence. This sequence can be as long as we want, 10 days, 30 days, or more. It can include multiple affiliate tools. I'm building all this out for you, so you don't have to worry about it. If you haven't joined the automated system yet, I highly recommend it because you get so many bonuses and cool features. By following what I'm doing and using the templates and strategies I provide, you'll greatly increase your chances of success, especially with affiliate marketing. There are many bonuses for something that is essentially free for the first 30 days. In essence, the automated system and the resources provided are designed to make your life easier and your business more successful. By following the steps and using the provided tools and support, you can focus on growing your business without worrying about the technical setup. This setup is designed to help you every step of the way, ensuring you have the best chance at success. If you want to stay updated with more free stuff like tutorials, offers, and templates, just respond with the word yes in the comments. It lets me know to make more videos like this for you and helps the video get more reach. That's it. Go grab the automated system at first8tool.com. If you're already on the page, just click the button below. Get the automated system, get all the bonuses, get the kickoff call, get the done for you videos, emails, and templates. Everything right now with the automated system. And if you don't see the email come in, make sure to email us at supporteeshinefy.com with your screenshot. We will make sure to hook you up with all our bonuses. Just make sure you signed up using our referral link. Happy money making. See you next time. Bye.